Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest official essentials on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best official essentials of all time. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name: Original Rollerblade Office Chair Wheels. The Original Rollerblade Office Chair Wheels are a set of 5 casters designed to provide incredibly smooth and quiet rolling for office chairs. These wheels, featured on PBS, are crafted to be safe for use on both hardwood floors and carpets, ensuring they do not damage or scratch surfaces. They offer easy installation with a universal fit, making them compatible with most office chairs. The wheel's design mimics that of rollerblade wheels, which enhances their smooth movement and durability. These casters are an excellent upgrade for enhancing the mobility and functionality of office chairs in a variety of settings. Product 2. Product name: Underdesk Drawer Organizer. The Underdesk Drawer Organizer is a practical solution for optimizing workspace organization both at home and in the office. This metal slide-out drawer is designed to be mounted beneath desks, providing an additional storage compartment without occupying valuable surface area. Its no-drilling installation method makes it an appealing option for renters and those who prefer not to damage their furniture. Key features: no-drilling installation. The Underdesk Drawer Organizer can be easily installed without the need for drilling, making it convenient for various desk types and settings. Adhesive or clamp-based mounting options ensure a secure fit while preserving the desk's integrity. Metal construction. Made from durable metal, this organizer is built to withstand regular use. Its robust structure ensures that it can hold various items, from office supplies to personal belongings, without bending or breaking. Slide-out design. The slide-out mechanism allows easy access to stored items. This feature enhances usability, making it simple to retrieve and stow away essentials quickly. Product 3. Product name: Office Desk Accessories. Office desk accessories play a crucial role in organizing and enhancing productivity in the workplace. Among these, the Monitor Memo Board stands out as a practical and innovative solution for managing notes and reminders. Product description. The Monitor Memo Board is a 2-piece set designed to be attached to the sides of a computer monitor. These boards serve as a convenient space for sticky notes, reminders, and messages, helping to keep important information within easy reach. This accessory is particularly beneficial for both home offices and professional workspaces. Key features: enhanced organization. The memo boards provide a dedicated spot for notes, reducing desk clutter and making it easier to keep track of tasks and reminders. Easy installation. These boards are designed to easily attach to the sides of any monitor, requiring no special tools or modifications to the workspace. Versatility. Suitable for both men and women, these memo boards. Product 4. Product name: YSAGI Leather Desk Pad Protector. The YSAGI Leather Desk Pad Protector is a versatile and elegant addition to both office and home environments. This desk pad functions as a protective layer for your desk, providing a smooth and comfortable surface for various activities. Crafted from high-quality PU leather, it is designed to be waterproof and non-slip, ensuring durability and stability during use. Key features: size and design. The YSAGI desk pad comes in a large size, making it suitable for accommodating laptops, keyboards, and other office essentials. Its sleek and professional appearance complements a variety of office decor styles. Material: made from premium PU leather, the desk pad offers a luxurious feel while being easy to clean. The waterproof feature protects your desk from spills and stains, ensuring longevity. Non-slip surface. The non-slip base keeps the pad securely in place, preventing any unwanted movement while working or using a mouse. Product 5. Product name: Diffusers 200 ml Essential Oil Diffuser. The Diffusers 200 ml Essential Oil Diffuser is a versatile and compact device designed to enhance the ambience of any room, be it a bedroom, office, or during travel. Here are the key features and benefits of this diffuser. Capacity and design. The diffuser holds up to 200 milliliters of water, making it suitable for small to medium-sized rooms. Its compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into various spaces without being obtrusive. Adjustable mist mode. The diffuser offers adjustable mist modes, allowing users to control the intensity of the aroma and humidity. This feature ensures a customizable experience, catering to different preferences and needs. Auto-off function. Safety is a priority with the auto-off function. The diffuser automatically shuts off when the water level is low, preventing potential hazards and ensuring peace of mind. Product 6. Product name GlassDesk Whiteboard Black with Calculator. The GlassDesk Whiteboard Black with Calculator is a multifunctional desktop accessory designed for efficiency and organization in both home and office environments. It serves as a dry erase whiteboard, providing a sleek and reusable surface for jotting down to-do lists, memos, and notes. The black glass design adds a modern aesthetic to any workspace. Key features. Integrated calculator. This feature enhances productivity by allowing quick calculations without the need for a separate device, making it a convenient tool for professionals and students alike. Dry erase surface. The glass surface is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring a crisp, clear writing space for daily use. It's perfect for brainstorming sessions, reminders, or tracking daily tasks. Storage capability. The desk board includes a storage compartment, ideal for keeping markers, pens, and other small office supplies organized and within reach. This helps in maintaining a clutter-free workspace. Product 7. Product name Small Flat Plug Power Strip. The Small Flat Plug Power Strip by Tesson is an ultra-thin extension cord designed for versatility and convenience in various settings such as cruise travel, office, school, and dorm rooms. This compact and practical power strip includes several key features. Flat plug design. The ultra-thin, flat plug allows it to fit snugly behind furniture and in tight spaces, making it ideal for use in confined areas where traditional plugs might not fit. Multifunctionality. It comes equipped with 3 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including 1 USB-C port, allowing users to charge multiple devices simultaneously. This makes it a perfect solution for charging smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other electronic devices. 5-foot extension cord. The power strip includes a 5-foot extension cord, providing flexibility and the ability to reach distant outlets. This makes it especially useful in places where the power source is not conveniently located.